Hello and welcome to IT Reviews. In this video I will tell you how to block ads in Safari browser. I found 3 of the most effective ways to block it. It's AdGuard Ad Blocker, Adblock for YouTube, extension and YouTube Premium subscription. Subscribe and comment so that more people can see this, and now let's get to it. YouTube Premium. The first and the easiest way to remove ads on YouTube is to purchase the YouTube Premium subscription. It removes ads and opens access to background playback, offline watching, and other features. To purchase it, open the main YouTube page and click on this button to open the site menu. Scroll down a bit and in the More section, click on YouTube Premium. If you are using a mobile device, then you will need to repeat the same steps in YouTube on your phone. To subscribe, you need a Google account. If you already have one, then log in. To all users, YouTube offers a free 1-month trial, but you will need to enter your credit card or PayPal wallet details to complete it. Don't be afraid though, a week before the end of the trial period, you will receive a reminder of the upcoming payment and it can be cancelled. Separately, it is worth noting that the pricing policy of YouTube Premium, which is individual for each country. For example, the cheapest subscription is in India, Argentina, and Ukraine, while the most expensive is in Italy and New Zealand. You can find a complete list with prices for almost 50 countries at the link below the video. By the way, if your country is not yet on the list, please write your prices in the comments and I will add them to the list. The next 2 methods are free, yet with their own specific terms of use. AdGuard for Safari. Safari, like any other modern browser, supports the installation of extensions such as ad blockers. There are dozens of ad blockers available on the App Store, but only a few of them can block ads on YouTube. The most famous of them is AdGuard, which is available for Safari both on Mac and iOS devices. Once you've downloaded and installed this, you will need to set it up to work in Safari. In this video, you can manage the main settings, the list of filters, and initiate background operation. If AdGuard is running, you will see its icon on this panel. If you click on it, you can quickly access its main options such as pausing, ad blocking without closing the application itself. Still, all this will be ineffective if you don't grant AdGuard the necessary permissions to work in Safari. To do this, open Safari and go to Preferences. After installing AdGuard, extensions will display a list of its components and requested permissions. Tick all of them so AdGuard can detect and remove ads in real time. Now let's test it and try to open a YouTube video with AdGuard paused. So ignore any connection with my Google account and cookies. I will use private browsing mode. So we follow the link and see that the video has an unskippable ad at the beginning. Now let's launch AdGuard and try to watch the same video. As you can see, there is no mandatory advertising. Let's try some other videos. Other videos were ad-free too. By the way, if you want to remove advertising banners on YouTube, on Mac, or in the application for your iPhone, I recommend that you purchase an AdGuard subscription from the link and install its full version. Adblock for YouTube. If for some reason you didn't like AdGuard as a YouTube ad blocking solution, then here's an alternative option for you. Open the App Store and search for Adblock for YouTube. Don't be fooled by dozens of ad blockers offered here. During my tests, most of them turned out to be ineffective against YouTube ads. You need to find the Adblock for YT extension, download it and install it on your device. Unfortunately, this extension does not have any customization options, so this window contains only this small instruction. In any case, you need to open the Extensions tab in Safari and enable this ad block by ticking it in this list. Now let's open YouTube and check out some videos. As you can see, ads have also been blocked. Conclusion. So let's summarize the pros and cons of each method. The only thing all 3 methods have in common is that they remove ads from YouTube videos when using Safari. YouTube Premium also removes other ads on the site and enables additional functionality, which will be especially effective on the iPhone. The main disadvantage of a subscription is pricing, which is between $1.50 and $17 depending on the country and region. AdGuard is available on the Apple Store as a free extension for Safari. Its advantage is that in addition to YouTube, it will also block ads on other websites. If you want to block the remaining ads on YouTube or remove ads on other browsers, it would be more appropriate for you to purchase a subscription for almost $18 per year here. Adblock for YouTube. Its advantage is that it blocks ads on YouTube. The downside is that it's single feature. If you know more effective ways, please share it with us in the comments to this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to iTunes Reviews. Bye.